Hello everyone, welcome back to the Routing Tech, and today's video is gonna be about Samsung S25 Ultra. Samsung lovers, the wait is almost over. Yes, the tech giant is all set to unveil its latest flagship lineup. I'm talking about Galaxy S25 series on 22 Jan 2025. And trust us, the excitement is real, from stunning design to amazing specs. Let's dive into what Samsung S25 Ultra has in store for us. Let's start our video. First up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is turning heads with its sleek new design. The corners are slightly rounded this time. Goodbye to those sharp edges from S25 Ultra. And how about the new blue tone with a hint of grey? Thank you, IC Universe, for the sneak peek. Samsung is also bringing a fresh palette to the table with titanic black, titanic jade green and titanic silver blue. Which one is your pick? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The S25 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Samsung 8 Elite chipset. Samsung promised a top-notch performance. What about the display? A massive 6.86 inches AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And the photographers, listen up, this device is said to feature a 200 megapixel main sensor along with 3 additional sensors. A 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. Whether it's capturing distant landscape or ultra-detailed close-ups, this phone could do it all. Battery life won't be an issue with 5000 capacity and 45 fast charging support, which is slightly lesser than its competition. But here's the big question, how much it costs? The manufacturing cost is reportedly 9200 higher than the S25 Ultra, with the current Galaxy S24 Ultra starting at 1,29,999 in India. We are looking at a price tag of over 1,40,000 for S25 Ultra. Are you ready for the splurge? So what do you think about the S25 Ultra? Will the cutting edge features and design justify this price hike? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell, as you will get more updates on S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.